Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is Neema from Yours Only YouTube channel. So in this video, I would like to talk about is data science all worth it? So yeah, let's get started with the video. So let me give a brief background on my career journey. So my journey started in the like past 8 years. So I while doing masters in US, I came across certain courses that actually interested me, and those were around data science actually. So I started taking up courses like um, statistic, and then started writing codes on R. That's when I started learning machine learning models, developing machine learning models, understand concepts on hypothesis testing, A/B testing. So that was 8 years back, 10 years back in the sense while I did my masters. So that's how I started this whole journey. So after 10 years, I would like to come back and realize, so if this journey is totally worth it. Let's go general. Let's discuss generally on in terms of is it really worth it in terms of certain parameters that I'll be discussing now. So the first thing is it your passion? So not everybody's passion aligns with data science, but in this whole industry market and all the buzz happening around, I feel data science has been taken up by people without realizing whether it's for them or not. Like if I see any YouTube channels or any YouTube discussions happening, found that people are just correlating data science with money. Yes, we can earn a lot of money. It's a good industry to, like, you can earn money, but that's not all about it. You have to know what the industry is all about. You need to check yourself whether it's, so that is what you need to realize, guys. So if your passion is data science, you can very well go ahead, pursue this industry. But if it is not that, then I would suggest you look forward to the industry that you really like. The second thing I already mentioned is that they correlate data science with money. So yes, money is very important. You can earn a lot if you are a very skilled and experienced data scientist or a data science professional. You can earn money, but that shouldn't be the sole motive of you pursuing this industry. You need to understand if your work has been effective enough in your organization, or if you are finding happiness in doing the certain work. So for example, I've seen people who have let me talk about my experience. So I started my whole journey in terms of thinking to be a software engineer. So I started learning coding, I started doing the software designs, all that thing. But internally I felt the pressure of this peer pressure, right? So it's like, okay, someone is becoming a software engineer, earning some lakhs of money, then I need to be. So that's how I did that mistake. So eventually when I did my masters in computer science, I realized this is not what I wanted to do. So that's when I switched my courses that I had to take. So luckily I was able to understand what my passion was. So I started taking courses relevant to data science back then, and that's how I started into this field. So you need to understand money is important, but at the same time you need to have the sense of purpose when you're working, right? So please do have that in mind. But I'm not saying don't go for money, all that. I am never an advocate on that. So please do understand what is your importance. Like, if you want to earn money, please go ahead with that. But if you want to have a sense of purpose, feel that you're important in you are making an important decision in your career, and also you're giving an important deliveries to your organization. So that's very important, guys. So please do not correlate money with the industry. Another thing is that for some people, I've seen this lately, that people are moving out of data science industry. This is not in terms of industry wise. This, I would say, it depends on the each and every people individual perspective. So I've seen people who have been in this field by from the start. That is, they have graduated and they got to this field, they started working in this field, and then realized this is not for them, and then started taking courses that of their interest. That is, for example, I've seen people who have been in data science industry and then realized that they love coding more than learning about data or analyzing or interpreting data. So I've seen people taking up being a software engineer, they move industry out of data science. So that is very well good decision, guys. So if you feel this industry is not what you want, I've seen people moving out of this industry. And data science is not meant for everyone. If you feel there are other industries that you are like wanted to pursue, so for example there is marketing management, there is project management, you need to have different skills in order to be successful in certain industry, right? So I've seen people pursuing that skills rather than pursuing data science. So that's something that I would like to mention here as a topic, because data science is not all about like learning and then getting into job and things like that. So I've seen people moving out of this industry as well. And another thing that I would like to say is, for the last 10 to 8 years, I've seen data science has been the most buzzword used. So like any industry, when I did my college or undergrad, and then when I was doing my masters, the buzzword was definitely coding. There's nothing much I know about. Maybe my mind was so narrow or something, but what I already always knew is that you need to be if you know coding, you're successful, or you earn money. So that was the buzzword back then. But now the buzzword is actually data science, AI, ML and all that. But things will change. I don't know for the next 10 years how it's going to be, but it is going to definitely change. The buzzwords are going to change, so don't go by the buzzwords. So that's a reminder for you and for me as well, to like, if you're into data science, the buzzword is going to move. So upskill yourself in terms of what you need to understand or what you need to learn. So for example, I'm working in an industry where I learn do data science techniques and stuff like that. So but in the next 10 years I cannot guarantee that I'll be doing the same work. So that's when I have to constantly learn and understand if the industry is moving in a certain direction, and if I have to be competitive enough, I have to learn. So that's what something that I want to specify is, don't go by buzzwords, because buzzwords keep changing. You need to constantly upskill and learn to move to a certain direction in order to be successful. The final thing that I would like to mention here is, now companies have totally incorporated data science and data science team. So in every company you will realize that there is a data team, data science team, and advanced analytics team. Also there is AI team. So back then when I started, there was no particular teams. It was like random stakeholders asking for a certain projects. People are assigned to it, people work for it, they deliver the project. So that's how it was. But now I see there is a streamlined process happening, and it's a good thing in terms of industry market. So what I see is the change is basically that data science has been moving into most streamlined process, and company has been putting its budget on improving the efforts, because this industry can help a lot with respect to the organizational branding. So yeah guys, so these are all the points. So to reiterate, I would like to say, first thing is look into the passion. If it's the industry, data science industry is your passion, please go ahead. And second thing is, please don't correlate data science with money. Yes, money is important, but that's not all about it. You have to understand if your work has been effectively been used in your organization. So that is one thing. The other thing is, I've seen people moving out. So it's not just that people all are coming into data science. I've seen people from data science industry moving out to another industry based on their interests and skills. So that is the other thing. And another thing that I would like to mention here is, don't go by the buzzword, because the buzzwords keep changing. For the last 10 years it would have been different, but now it's different. So the next 10 years we cannot guarantee whether the title or the word data science would be in a different format. So don't go by the buzzword. And the last thing is, the teams have been companies have been putting a lot of effort on streamlining this whole data science team, and that's a good thing. And please do understand that the industry is going in a very good direction, and if people are like aspiring to get into this field, it's the right time. So these are the points that I would like to mention here, guys. And to the final answer, data science is worth it or not, it depends on each individual perspective. So in my perspective, I would like to say the efforts that I've put and the place where I am, I feel it's all totally worth it. And for people who are having the passion and interested in putting efforts and landing a job in data science, please do go forward, put in your efforts, it will be worth your time and effort. So that's all guys I have for this whole video. Hope this video was useful and provided you with some insight. Do let me know in the comment section if this was useful or not, or if you would like to know any data science, like to discuss on, if you would like me to discuss on any, if you would like me to discuss on any data science topics. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. That would be a great help for me, so that I know that I'm reaching out to the right audience and it's helpful for you all. Yeah, that is all guys. Happy weekend. Hope you all have a great week ahead. Thank you.